We are at the Grand Canal shops.
We're about to have Italian.
Dinner number one at Canaletto. You can see it behind us. It's gonna be delicious. Let's make it happen. Good start of a good Italian dinner. There's a little gondola ride. Oh, this is the place. This is going to be fun. Tell them what you ordered.
I have to turn on. Nope, my mic's on. I got spaghetti. I'm not.
Wait a minute.
Listen,
I saw the menu and it didn't say spaghetti anywhere on the menu.
I'm not really sure exactly what I got. So I just know it had marinara sauce, garlic, olive oil, and it was spaghetti. But I don't know what it is, really.
All right.
What did you get, sir? Thank you. Okay.
Okay, so the waiter said it was called tagliatelle con pollo. I don't know what it is. Pasta ribbons with some chicken and a cream sauce of some sorts. But he said it was his favorite, and it's soon to be my favorite. Can't wait. Pan around so we can see the beauty of this place. Look at this. We are inside, not outside. Street lights and all the shops and the cobblestone flooring. It's beautiful.
Donnie, you got to show them over there too. Thank you.
Over where?
Over there where all the bridges are?
And bridges. That's where the gondola rides are. Only in Vegas, baby. And look how beautiful Heather looks today. Only in Vegas. All right, we have a delightful looking bread service. What do you think? Go ahead, give it a go. Tell me if it's warm.
It is warm.
It is warm?
It's crunchy.
It's crunchy.
Yeah, ooey and gooey in the middle. So there's a lot of promise.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, this is really good.
Good bread. All right. Oh, it's warm. Oh, I like the crispy crust. I prefer butter, but I'm going to go with the olive oil. I love it. I like the crunchy crust. Still wish I had butter, though.
Spaghetti.
Look at this.
With tomatoes.
And I got...
Any cheese?
Yes, please.
Oh, yeah. I don't remember what this is called, but it looks amazing. All right, let me try mine first for a change. So this is how they do it in Sicily. They twirl it a pasta. I want to get a little bit of chicken. Oh, that's good. I was expecting it to taste like fettuccine, but the bacon just turns it upside down and pushes it sideways and makes it real good. Oh, well. It's good.
All right.
All right. Oh, here comes the cheese. You got to get the fresh grate.
That's good, thank you.
For you, sir?
Absolutely, please. Oh, the fresh grate.
Enjoy. Buon appetito.
Thank you.
All right.
Can't come to Vegas after we go to Mexico so soon because I almost said gracias to him twice.
All right, let's give it a go.
Here it goes. Something she got that she called spaghetti. Oh yeah. You don't know.
Never had pasta like it.
But amazing.
Very good. All fresh tomatoes, fresh basil on top,
Can't wait
fresh
to try
Parmesan
it.
cheese. Oh, it's amazing.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and eat, and then we'll do a wrap up afterwards. Canaletto post game review. What'd you think?
Not bad, not great.
Not bad, not great.
Homemade spaghetti.
The
Fresh
pasta was
tomato.
homemade. It was good. We are in search of the best Italian food in Las Vegas. Mateo's has one up on Canaletto, but it was good. I'm not mad at them. I thought it was good. I'm full.
Yeah, I wouldn't go again though.
We'll go ahead and put the receipt right there, so you could check out the price. It wasn't too bad, but all in all, the food was tasty. But what made it is the atmosphere. You could
Yes.
sit outside at the Grand Canal shops. Ooh, it's nice.
It is very nice. It's beautiful.
And you might be able to see a gondola ride go by right there. So, hey, if you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you like any of our videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We appreciate it. And we love the comments. So leave a comment and we will respond to all comments. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.